Alright, welcome back. My name is Crypto Costa. If you don't know me yet, I have a YouTube channel, 100,000 followers on YouTube, 40,000 on Twitter. I've onboarded thousands of people or tens of thousands of people into crypto. I'm sitting with
Marcin Roman, Emersoft.ai, founder of Emersoft, and I started back in 2017 with a web tech company, and today we specialize in AI and CRM implementations for small to medium-sized businesses.
So today we're gonna speak about how to make money from AI bubble in 2025. The thing is, it is deeply connected into crypto because already you can see crypto and AI is connecting. It's being connected. You have AI agents, you have different trends in from AI into crypto. You know, AI can use crypto to do multiple things. So we're gonna speak about how to profit in 2025 from this AI bubble and how and what is it, why is it a bubble, basically, right?
Absolutely, and we're gonna show you specific examples of how it happened in the crypto space, and then we're gonna translate it into the AI space, and then ultimately how you can profit.
Exactly. So first of all, why is it a bubble? And is it, you know, people are scared of the word bubble, but actually we had an amazing conversation yesterday smoking shisha with our friend who's the founder of a multi-billion company, and we were discussing the bubble. You have a choice. You can be in the bubble or you can be out of the bubble, right?
Totally.
And why are people scared of being in the bubble? You know, if you are in the bubble and the bubble is being destroyed, then you are just out of the bubble. But as long as you are in the bubble, you can benefit from it, right?
Yeah, and he said that basically, if you're outside the bubble, when the bubble bursts, everybody is bleeding. And you know the saying, buy the blood, even if it's your own blood.
Exactly. So why is it a bubble? First of all, let's speak about it. Like you can see the same exactly patterns in AI and crypto. For example, 2017, Bitcoin. For example, IDOs 2021. First of all, what's happening there? You have the product and the capitalization of the product is insanely high. It's like 50 times
Overvalued.
Overvalued. It's 100 times overvalued. You could see it obviously in 2021 on coins that didn't make any sense, but they had multi-billion-dollar market capitalization. You know, these projects that were generating zero revenue, but people were still buying them because they believed in that. You know,
The
and
bubble
now,
is the bubble is growing.
exactly. Then what happened? The bubble
Burst.
burst. What happens next? What's the
And
other
then
effect?
and then fundamentals go up because this technology is developing. And I always laugh because the first one, the people who are early in the game and they create solutions, they kind of get the spears. You know, they get basically hit first. They get killed first. They're the sacrificial lamb in a way. But some of them, they actually succeed and they stay in the market. Like for example, Coinbase, great example. They stayed in the market. Now they're a public company. That's just one of the examples. What happens is fundamentals then go up, but people are so scared right now that they don't want to invest in it, even though the fundamentals are higher than before,
Then the value.
than the value. And what happens? The smart money notices that, they buy, and of course the price goes up again. And what happens? And the cycle repeats.
Exactly, and this is what you could also see on the dot-com bubble, crypto bubble, and now on AI bubble. That's the question to you because you are an AI expert. Can you already see that there is overhype on AI?
Yeah, there's a lot of hype and there's a lot of money, but because of the broader market and macro with tariffs, and obviously you saw what happened with Nvidia, for example, last month.
In which part of the bubble are we on AI right now?
Yeah, great question. So let me answer. In terms of AI, I think we are in the fair value.
In the first.
Basically, first kind of maybe second stage. The value is kind of fair. So I think there is another step to kind of overhype it and really pump the prices, just like it happened with Bitcoin, for example. And that, I think, again, this is just my opinion. This is not an investment advice. Do your own research. And I think probably by the end of 2025, this is just gonna grow, and we're gonna see again the value is gonna go higher than the fundamentals, and the prices will be astronomical.
Great. So now let's think. Knowing that, how can we actually profit, and how everyone who's watching the video can profit from AI in 2025?
In terms of AI, I can tell you from the street, I can see that so many businesses still in the US, because my market is the United States, I can tell you so many businesses still don't utilize AI. You know, maybe an owner uses ChatGPT to do some stuff, but not in the business level where the whole stuff is trained. So this is all coming.
So you see the opportunity in helping them to implement AI, right?
Yeah, and we did a previous video. You can go to Emersoft channel on YouTube and you can find a video how to position your business. Just one example.
Yeah.
How to position your business
In
using
ChatGPT
in ChatGPT so you can get more leads, get more customers.
from AI search. Now, knowing that there will be companies that will help to implement, or they already are companies that help to implement AI like Emersoft, right?
Yeah.
Those companies are publicly tradable. Well, maybe not.
Some of them are
some
private, some of them
Yeah.
are publicly traded.
So you can also speculate on those companies knowing that this is the trend, right?
That's right.
Third thing, crypto, AI in crypto. You have multiple trends. AI agents, that was a big hype in the recent months. Have you seen some AI company that is implementing AI, but for example, they tokenize their project? I haven't seen it. That shows you there is still opportunity to do it, right? You know, if you are a profitable company, if you tokenize it, you combine both of these trends, AI and crypto, and you can, you know, skyrocket with it, because then you understand that you are probably in both bubbles, AI and crypto. So those will be the ideas how to profit from it. I don't have anything else for this video. You know, this is still an open and a very difficult and strong topic. If you guys have any comments, any suggestions regarding the how to profit from AI in 2025, comment down below in the description. Check Emersoft AI, you have a link to them in the description. And thank you very much for the conversation.
Yeah, thank you for having me. Obviously, share your thoughts, leave a comment, and tell us what are your ideas. We just kind of painted the picture for you where we could be in the cycle and what the history showed. So let's see if we're right about the future.
Bye bye.